Hey guys, welcome to a pretty dark, let me turn this around, there we go. Welcome to unboxing of this Yeelight Arwen ceiling light D600. And another post I just showed you guys this Yeelight ceiling light which was called Jupiter D, but it was the C600. And this one is also the D600. So the D600, your higher number, there's bigger ceiling light. So let's unbox this. Whoops, sorry. Again, I have opened this one time before, but it's a very big one, and it's also very powerful. It has 4800 lumens. I don't remember what's the lumen on the other one, but as you can see, it's 59.8 centimeter wide. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Just give me a second. There we go. Oh, I like this one. This is the one I was talking about in the other video. It has this universal attachment, because this one is pretty easy to mount on the ceiling. The other one is a bit difficult. Okay. Screws. Oh, nice. It has a remote too. So remote included on both this one and the other one, which is cool. Manuals. Who needs manual anyway these days? It's not rocket science, right? Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. I needed to hold this on the both sides to open this one. Perfect. Here you can see you're gonna put this on the ceiling and mark the holes here, and then just what do you call it? Make some holes on the ceiling. So the cable is gonna attach pretty easy in this. Can you press it? Yeah. And then when you mount this on the ceiling, you're just gonna attach the light, and it's pretty easy. If you guys notice, I have paint in my fingers because actually I'm painting a living room in a special color. Well, this is the light itself. It's not heavy though, but again, the Jupiter was not heavy either. So Yeelight, I'm a bit disappointed in the Jupiter because I thought it had this universal thing. When I say universal, that means I can attach this one to this light and some of the other Yeelight lights. So I'm a bit disappointed that the Jupiter didn't have this one, because as you can see, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna put it, then it's attached to the ceiling. Easy peasy. Well guys, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.